Hello YouTube, Brickadillo here. Time for part 10 of my series of my collection. Alright, this is again shelf number 10. First off we have here is a Darth Maul Star Wars Rubik. You can see it's a little dusty, it's been up there for a little while. These faces sometimes always give me like problems sometimes. I get them backwards. I don't know what the deal is. 2x2s are easy, but for some reason I seem to have some trouble with heads. There's a little kitty cat, 2x2. My Homer Simpson, 2x2. Got a Mickey Mouse, 2x2. And then there's another, there's him again, see? Can't solve it. I don't know what it is. Sometimes just can't solve them. I don't know why. And some days I'm okay, but most days it's just like, oh. SpongeBob's cube slide puzzle. Got 3 of them. I think these were a giveaway by Burger King. Yeah, about 15 years ago. I have a Master Ball. This is a Dragon one. I think that's what they call it. Dragon Master Ball. Oh. There you go. That one. Mega Minx. My brain's going shot right now. I got so many things on my mind. A couple of quirks. I think that's what they were called, quirks. Still in the box. Calendar whip it type puzzle. A Sherman slide puzzle. Also, I think by Burger King. I'm not sure. Nasty Pepsi can. And 3 awesome Coke slide puzzles. I had 3 on that shelf, 2 on another shelf. I can't believe I had that many of those. Another kind of whip it out puzzle, but lots of columns on this one. Lots and lots of columns. And you pop one out, there it is. You have the little bitty star on it. You pop that out and then you solve it like whip it type of puzzle. And some old like Pac-Man puzzle. There's another Pac-Man puzzle. Or the one we're used to seeing, except what's with the green guy, I don't know. And another Pac-Man puzzle. This one's still in the box, but made by Wonderful Cube Puzzle. Wonder Cube Puzzle. Yeah, you can see a picture of the Pac-Man cube. Chuck E. Cheese cube. A pizza place, in case you're not familiar with Chuck E. Cheese. Chex Cube, cereal cube. I think that was put out in the 80s also. The Ultimate Cube. Made by Ultra Co. in 1982. Oh, another one of those. Rubik's Revolution. Titanium edition, I think it was too. But, if you can see it, 45 cents. What I paid for it, 45 cents. That's it. Pretty cool. You know, I don't like that game that much. It's alright for 45 cents. I got a penguin girl and penguin boy. This big giant robot looking thing. I think I got this for $5 on eBay with free shipping. So the guy said, man, it cost me more to make it than it is. See what I got earned for it. And I felt bad. $5, but oh well, I got lucky. A puzzle, not really a twisty puzzle, but the Great New Number puzzle. You just rotate those to get a certain combination. Wake up the 4 wheels, rearrange them so that all lines total 12. Made in Hong Kong, 1970. Still in the box. Nice condition. Had a Jerry head. Let's see, a Marvin. Tom. Bugs Bunny. And the Joker. Sorry, Marvin. Okay, Star Wars. I have all of those also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're double face. In case you're not familiar with these puzzles, get an extra Darth Vader. Some head puzzles. Carney. Got another one of those. So yeah, it's like Carney. Ultimate Cube, sorry. Made in 1981 by the Ultimate Cube Company. And what it is just a cube with all the same colors. And there is a mean word on the side. Right there, if you can see it. It says, the Ultimate Cube, it does snap. Unless you're Polish, Italian, Irish, French, German, Jewish, Black, Hispanic, Oriental, Arab, Iranian, WASP, or Preppy. Then you can have a problem. Well, back then you could get away with stuff like that, but these days you write something like that, you're in a lot of trouble. M&M Cube. Oh, another one of those Pac-Man cubes. Got 2 of them. M&M's Las Vegas Cube. Intex Stars. Oh, I have 2 Ultimate Cubes. And Enigma. Diamond Cube. This is a 3x3 solve. 1, 2, 3. My little monster guy, I don't know where he's from, but he holds my cubes in this little hand of his. Dog puzzle. And some Japanese dog puzzle, I think it is. I forget where. But anyway, it's supposed to make a sound or something, I think. I have a little speaker there. I think they came in all red or all white, and the person I bought it from just switched the colors around. Some old PG & Company keychain, made in the 80s, on the Missing Link. Like a Rubik Cube, 1982. Still package. PG & Co. Tower. Pretty rare to find that. What's even rarer though is this Rubik's Cheese. And these pieces are not like, these are like one pieces. They're fused together. So, I don't know how many combinations this would probably have. 6 second power, 318, maybe 96 different permutations. I don't know, my math might be a little off. Some cute that I made in some kind of workshop. And anyway, hey, Matt Marbles. I have another one still in the box that I'll show later on. A Donald Duck cube. I don't know how old it is, but it looks old. And last but not least, I have 3 Smart Attic puzzles. Well, that is it for that shelf. Appreciate you watching. I'm going to try to do one more today because I'm having to box them all up because I'm getting new carpet in, and so I have to clear all my shelves. So I'm going to try to do as many videos as I can in the next couple of days. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Goodbye, YouTube.